RotaStop, we offer rodent control, rodent infestation cleanup, making sure they can't get back into your house, disinfecting, deodorizing, making sure the house is safe and healthy. Every house has its own problem. Now, years of dealing with rodents, they can't control their bladder, so they urinate about 50, 60 times a day. And the pheromone in the odors is usually what calls them back. It's just a repeated thing, not to mention your house smells, and it's not healthy for humans. But rest assured, when we come out and do an inspection, we're going to tell you exactly what needs to be done, what needs to be cleaned up. Everything we've ever done for indoor health and safety has been a family business. And you know, the way we treat our customers also is like family. We don't ever offer contracts. When you call in, we'll always ask the right questions. We'll always be honest. My technicians are always going to be honest. When they come out, they take a look, because I take really good care of them. Therefore, they take really good care of my customers.
So whether your problem is new or old, we will find a one-time solution to your rodent problem.